Monter. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, today I'm going to do a light protein treatment. That's what's in here. Got a spatula that's broke to help mix this up. But this is an egg mayo mask with honey, apple cider vinegar, mustard, and my DIY oil. So it's been a week. Today is Saturday, and this is what my hair looks like coming out of like my protective style. I really wanted to come on here and just kind of do a protein treatment with you guys, give you a quick update of my hair. It's been a month since I took out my mini braids from all the COVID shedding and stuff. So I wanted to really like show you guys my hair and, like I said before, what it's looking like. I have my own little wash and go where I twist up the front of my hair and have it in a low bun. But this wash day, I'm probably not going to do that because my bun, as you can see, like up in this area, it stays wet. So I don't want my hair to get like moisture overload because it is wet for like a week. But this is what my hair is given after being up for 5 days. I really don't want to I don't know, I really don't want to put it in too big twists or too big braids, but I think that's what I might have to do because it's not drying. And this is just gonna be like a really quick chit chat, I guess. But you guys, this is how much my hair has thinned. If you've been here for a long time, if you've seen the ponytail that I just had in my head, I can literally put my hair in a ponytail with one of these. My hair could never ever fit. All of my hair could never fit in one of these little scrunchies. And now all of my hair could fit in this regular size scrunchie, and that just wasn't my hair life, like, at all. Y'all, it is raining again here, but so if the background is a little noisy, that's what it is. But I'm kind of just doing this, and my hair is like, it's dirty. I did a hot oil treatment before I did this with my DIY oil, and my hair is really oil and is oily, and my nose is itching. But whatever. I didn't fix up my background at all. Should I zoom in a little bit more? Because I feel like y'all be super looking at the ceiling. But I'd be super trying not to show y'all my messy bed. But who cares? I always say that. I didn't clean it up. I didn't feel like cleaning it up today. And then I freaking drank coffee. Did it focus on me? Hopefully it focused on me. But yeah, I didn't clean up my room. I haven't been cleaning up my room this past couple of whatevers. But I need to do a protein treatment. I have this type of plastic bag because I can't find my cap. I don't even know what's going on today. Y'all, I drank too much coffee, which I probably shouldn't have drank. But anyways, back to my hair. Yeah, my hair can literally fit in one of these scrunchies now, and it's like I said, I'm not really tripping. I'm not tripping, but it's just, it's some getting used to. It's really some getting used to feeling my hair this thin. And I know, like I said, some people are probably looking, it's like, oh my gosh, your hair is not really that thin, but it's thinner to me. So it's like getting used to, pretty much. I can feel from this past month. Today is November 27th. Tomorrow's my birthday. Hey. But today is November 27th, 2021. And it's been a month. No, it hasn't been a month. It will be a month on November 3rd that I took out my mini braids and got all that shedding out of my hair. So I'm shy a couple of days from a month. Probably 5 days from a month, but I can already feel that my hair feels like it's kind of trying to get a little thicker on the scalp. My shedding has completely went away, and hopefully the camera's in focus. If it's not, y'all, it's just gonna be a little blurry, but hopefully it focuses. Hopefully. But I can already tell that my hair feels like it's kind of getting thicker on the scalp. I would have to say, for you to know for sure if your hair is growing, I say give it about like 3 months to 4 months, because your hair is supposed to grow a ½ an inch every month. But I mean, you may not get that ½ an inch every single month, but I know for sure, like for natural girls, you will see it. You will see your hair get you will see your scalp get thicker within like 3 to 4 months. I feel like I started seeing my hair get thicker around the 6-month mark, when I had heat damaged hair. I feel like it was closer to the 6-month mark that I actually started seeing a difference from the hair being thicker down here, and then the end started looking raggedy. So I think I'm gonna just really wait for those 6 months to see if my hair is looking any different. I know my postpartum edges is really growing out. Like, that's what this is right here. Hopefully you can see that, but I know my edges is really growing out and looking a lot different. But now my challenge is pretty much trying to get my hair thicker from the shedding. One thing that I have done is I've gotten all the shedding to stop, so my hair is no longer shedding. The tea rinses and the oil tea treatments that I was doing, that I showed you guys when I had my braids in my hair, those really worked. I didn't experience any more shedding after I took out my braids, and after my first couple of washes, I haven't experienced extreme shedding like that anymore. But one thing that I'm still trying to figure out is, like, did my hair shed evenly all over my head? Did it shed more in the crown, or did it shed more in the back? Like, I still haven't been able to figure that part out quite yet. Like, I don't know where all the shedding, like, if it was just even. Like, I have no clue. And that's the part that I'm trying to figure out, because I'm like, maybe it feels more thinner in the middle of my head. I'm not sure. It's the weirdest thing ever to know that my hair stands out, but there is not a significance of where. And then for all of you guys that have said to, like, go get your blood work checked and stuff, I got a doctor's appointment. I'm gonna set a doctor's appointment on Monday, because I haven't went and did that yet. And I know I should probably did it sooner, but just getting back from Atlanta, coming into town and trying to get, like, everything situated. Yeah, just trying to get everything situated from just being out of town that long. Like, unpacking my suitcase and trying to, just, I don't know. It's been about 3 weeks since I've been back now. Like, it's actually just been 3 weeks on the 24th since I've been back. So I'm going to set a doctor's appointment and see what my levels and stuff are, just to give you guys a health update. Yeah, I don't know where it came out at. It's like, I think it just evenly all came out in all over my head, but I'm not sure. I think I will probably start noticing more when it starts growing back, because when I had postpartum shedding, I didn't realize how much of the nape of my head came out. Like, I did not realize that all of my hair came out in the back, which is so crazy. But I don't know. It's the craziest thing ever. But to see the new growth and to see the short pieces, it was just like, dang, yo, I was really bald right there. But I'm happy it's growing back, though. Like, Jesus is doing a great job at growing back my hair. Like, all of this, like, I don't know if you guys can see this. All of this happened because of postpartum shedding. And I know I keep showing y'all this, but I don't want y'all to think like my hair is perfect. Obviously, it ain't perfect. I've been telling y'all this whole time, like, all of this, like, you see where this string was supposed to be a whole grip of hair, but all of that came out postpartum because it's thick. You see that it's growing. My son is 19 months now. So what I was doing with my hair for postpartum is actually working. So all I gotta do is just keep doing what I'm doing, and I should see my hair bounce back. But I almost definitely go to the doctor and get my levels and stuff checked out and see exactly what happened with the whole COVID thing. I should have went to the doctor after having COVID, and then I wasn't taking no vitamins and stuff, which I should have been, because the whole time I was sick, I was still nursing. I had a mask on, and my son is exclusively breastfed, and it's like, it's so hard being a mom and being sick and exclusively breastfeeding, and being a mom and your kids want you. It's like, it's hard. But y'all, I honestly don't think my son had got COVID, but I had a mask on. I didn't have a cough. So this is what all of my hair looks like. I'm gonna zoom y'all out. Zoom it out. Zoom out. So you guys, this is all the hair I lost so far. I mean, I know it's not focusing, but you can see that. That's all the hair that I lost so far, and that's pretty much how much hair I've been losing, like, in my wash days. And I'm really trying to get this middle part out of my head, because I've been rocking this middle part for a while, and I know that my hair needs to be in a different direction or go in a different direction. So I need to switch up this middle part so that my pieces can still grow evenly and not just get comfortable laying in one way. But I think I just kind of been nervous to switch my part up just because of the amount of hair that I did lose. But I know that it ain't got nothing to do with my part. It's just not trying to manipulate my hair and move it around too much. And especially putting a comb in it. Like, I have not put a comb in my head since I detangled it in Atlanta. And then when I style my hair is always in like, what do you call it? Like a middle-ish style. So, yeah. Right now, I'm just trying to make sure that every strand is saturated. And then I'm going to just put it either in a low bun. I think I might put it in a low bun. And then put this cap on my head, which I don't think I'm going to be putting a cap on my head, because I just remembered that I threw it in the washing machine. And it is nowhere dry. It's all the way wet. But yeah, guys, this is what my hair looks like. I feel like some of it still is kind of crinkly from that little raggedy craggly ponytail that I had in my hair, and it looks uneven because the back of it is not even whatsoever. But I mean, it's not bad, y'all. It's like, it's workable. It's most definitely workable. I'm happy that I do not straighten my hair, because I'm pretty sure it will have a whole bunch of flyaways and everything all over the place. But I try to keep my ends cut for the most part. But y'all, I am going to stop rambling. I'm actually going to put my hair in this low bun for y'all real quick. Plastic bag, and not my cap. Put the plastic bag on. This plastic bag is hard as cheese because it's like, it's that recycled plastic or whatever, which is okay. Yeah, I am gonna walk around like this for probably an hour to 2 hours, maybe 3, but I'm most definitely not sleeping with this in my hair. The bowl is squeaky clean and I'm a mess, so I am going to get off of here. Thank you guys so much for watching these postpartum, not postpartum. So thank you guys so much for watching these post-COVID hair shedding videos, because now I'm really just trying to document if my hair is getting thicker, what it looks like on camera, because that's the only way that I can really tell if my hair is really changing is on camera. Like, take pictures, record, so that you can see that you're just not in one spot. Because seriously, sometimes if you just keep looking at yourself, you'll be like, dang, I'm not getting nowhere. But pictures will not lie to you. Take pictures, and if you can record yourself doing your hair, sometimes record yourself doing your hair. It's the same with weight loss. It's like, take pictures, because the pictures won't lie to you. So if you ever feel like, dang, I'm really not getting nowhere in life, or dang, my hair is just stagnant. Y'all think I've been blurry, but yeah, if my hair has just been stagnant, or if I feel like my weight has just been stagnant, I feel like I'm not getting nowhere, I just look back on those old pictures and be like, okay, I have improved, you know. She okay. But yeah, guys, just a tip. I'm just get off here because I feel like I'm just freaking rambling now. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. And thank you guys once again. Bye.